Hey, this is the two coolest too. Actually doing another video following up the one I just uploaded from the severe thunderstorm. This is about, I would say, 20-30 minutes after. You see the rain has stopped, blue skies. You have this orange glow coming from the water. That's what the sun is setting. It still looks really nice out. Unfortunately, I didn't capture as much more orange out before. Let me see if I can get a good view here. So I open my window and there's this huge orange glow outside. So I figured I could try to videotape it perhaps. I'm not sure how it's looking on the camera. It looks much lighter on the camera. It's really nice. Ooh. Right here should be I can't get access to the roof, so. Nice glow.